everyone. Today I'm making bounty bites and our ingredients are a tin of condensed milk, 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, 3 cups of coconut, and 2 tablespoons of whole milk. To start off, we'll pour our coconut and 3/4 of our tin of condensed milk into our bowl. Once that's done, we'll just mix it together. For all my new viewers out there that don't know who I am, my name's Khalil. I live in Edmonton, Alberta, and I have a passion for cooking. This is my dad's favorite dessert. He loves this so much. We're having a barbecue for dinner today, but I'm hoping my dad doesn't finish all of these before we all get a chance to try them. So now that our mixture is nicely mixed together, it should look about like this. Now we lay our glass bowl with some parchment paper. Use the parchment paper so our coconut and condensed milk mixture doesn't stick. Once we've laid that out, we'll put our coconut and condensed milk mixture into the bowl. Now that we spread it evenly between the whole pan, we'll put it into the fridge for an hour. We'll see you in 1 hour. Now that it's been 1 hour, this thing took so long to freeze. I even got such a nice haircut. But now that's frozen, we'll take it out of our bowl and now we'll start to cut it. You can cut it into your own size, but I want to cut it about from here to here, so about that big. As you can see, we've cut all of them really nice. We've cut some small but some big, just so we can have a variation of sizes. So now we'll start our chocolate mixture. So first you need 2 tablespoons of whole milk. You can use 3 if necessary. Once you put it into the microwave for 45 seconds. Now that our chocolate is done for the 45 seconds, let's give it just a little bit of a mix. As we're mixing it, I just want to know if everyone's having a great day. I hope everyone's having an awesome day. It's a beautiful day in Edmonton. I am enjoying my day, creating some bounty. Ours isn't turning out smooth, so we need maybe 1 more tablespoon of milk. Now we'll put it back into the microwave for another 45 seconds. Now that it's done, let's take it back out of the microwave. Now I'll just give it 1 more mix. It should be nice and smooth like this, but not too runny. Once we're done, we'll grab a piece of our bounty, put it in, and then we'll grab our fork and this, and just like coat it in their chocolate. Once that's done, we'll just put it onto our tray. And then we'll do another. Hi guys, now this is our final product. They look so good. Now I want to try one. Oh my god, this is unbelievable. This is so good. I hope everyone enjoyed this recipe. I hope everyone tries it. This is our final product. It should turn out like this. I use semi-sweet chocolate, but you can use any type of chocolate you would like. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone's staying safe and having an amazing day. Bye.